The rising case numbers in Texas was the focus of a meeting today between the governor and Vice President Mike Pence. Just in the past few weeks, the daily average of new positive cases statewide has jumped from 2,000 to 5,000. The test positivity rate has shot up from 4% to more than 13% now, and daily hospitalizations are over 5,000. Vice President Pence promising more testing and urging people to wear masks. Political reporter Jack Fink now with more.
At UT Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas, Vice President Mike Pence pledged to continue helping Texas leaders as COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations keep spiking in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, along with the state's other large cities.
We're going to make sure Texas has what you need when you need it.
Late last week, the government announced it would extend federal funding for 5 community drive-through test sites across the state, including the 2 in Dallas, but only for 2 additional weeks. Why is the federal government only pledging to extend federal funding for the community test sites for 2 weeks? Why not longer?
In consultation with the governor and at the urging of both of your senators, we'll be extending that every bit as long as Texas wants us to. This is all hands on deck.
The vice president and Governor Greg Abbott said the feds and state have recently discussed a transition from federal to state funding for the sites.
There is going to come a day when those testing sites will be handed over from the federal government to the state, with us being able to have the full capability to make sure even more testing is going to be able to be achieved.
The governor says that will include expanded testing at UT Southwestern. On Friday, the governor rolled back some reopening plans. He ordered bars to shut down and restaurants to go back to in-person dining to 50% occupancy. Dr. Deborah Birx, the White House coronavirus coordinator, called the state's reopening plan from late April very serious and safe, and she praised the governor for changing course.
And I want to thank the governor for his action on the bars and really appealing to every Texan to wear masks.
On Friday, several Democrats nationwide criticized the vice president for not telling people they should wear masks. But in Dallas, the vice president mentioned it several times.
Wearing a mask is just a good idea, and it will, we know from experience, will slow the spread of the coronavirus.
He urged Texans to practice social distancing, wash their hands, and protect the elderly and the most vulnerable. In Dallas, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.